It's here. So this was my final makeup purchase after I lost my job. So I am super excited to open this and to see what I got. And of course I got the Big Mama Jamma. I mean, go big or go home, right? So now I'm not gonna lie, I did. Don't judge me. I did go and watch a bunch of unboxing videos. So I have somewhat of an idea of what's going to be in this, but I just don't know what variation I got. So let's look. I am so excited for this. I mean, even the sneak peeks or the variations that I saw, I don't think that I would be unhappy with anything. I mean, there's gonna, like, some of the palettes that I've seen in them, I kind of already have some of those, so I'm kind of hoping I don't get a repeat, but at the same time, I love a freaking mystery box, and usually I try really hard not to look at other videos to see like what people got. That way it's like a true mystery to me, but I snuck and looked and cheated on this one. But so like I know the balm that everybody got. Good morning, guys. Hey, Anne-Marie. Hey, Beth. So I'm just trying to cut this bad boy open. Hey, Gina. I'm so excited for this. When I saw some of the things that other people got in here, I was like, come on. They taped the ever-living crap out of this. Hey, Lucy. I feel like nobody else in the group has posted. Did nobody else get this but me? I mean, I know a bunch of people across the internet got it, but, did any of y'all get one? So, it's big, and it's purple, and I'm trying really hard to show it without showing my, my address. Albertine! Alright, ready? Okay, so I knew of the shirt. I have seen it all over. It's super, super cute. But I'll show you guys just in case. Is there anybody who did not see what was in this box? Carrie! Ooh, okay. Ooh. So I will say this shirt is way softer than the Valentine's one that we got. It was on like a Gildan or a Hanes or whatever, but it was really like thick and stiff and kind of rough feeling. This is like super thin and soft. You got a small and a medium. Gina, did you already get yours? Because I didn't see you post that you got it yet. Or are you still waiting? Okay, so super, super cute. It's got the tie-dye. It's got the logo. I love the back. Like, I love that even though this is Halloweenish, it's still completely wearable like any day. And I love that because like the Valentine's one that I got before, it's extremely, extremely Valentine's. And so I don't feel comfortable wearing it unless it's like February. So I love that this is way more wearable than some of the other ones that I've seen. But I love it. I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. All right, so let's get into the good stuff. Okay, so the shirt I knew about, I had seen, you know, on there. Tissue paper. Okay, more tissue paper. I'm trying not to look. Okay, what have I got? Okay, so the gloss, I knew that, and I got Legends Only. And y'all know I do not wear gloss. I do not like gloss. I mean, I like his formula. It's really pretty, and it... Why am I blurry? Blurry. But I don't typically wear gloss. So any of this stuff that yes, you got them Saturday. Yes, Gina, post what you got. Any of the stuff that I'm not going to wear. Okay. So the other glosses that I have seen are all like glittery, shimmery. This is just like a white. This looks like concealer. I'm not going to swatch it because something like this, I know for a fact, I'm going to resell and try to get grocery money with, because I won't wear gloss. So, if you're interested in that, I'm probably going to do a big sale post. But it's Legends only, but it's like, it looks like concealer. I'm not going to lie. It's not one of the pretty glittery ones. I don't know. All right, what else we got? Hey, Amanda. Hey, Samantha. Okay, so the next thing I got was the Velour Liquid Lip Liner in Calabasas. And if I remember correctly, I think this is like a mauvey pinky color. Which I have not. I tried his velour lipsticks, the old formula, and I wasn't a fan of it. Like, it started to crumble up on me. So I'll be interested to see how this new formula is. I am going to swatch this because I plan on keeping this. Okay, so it's like a mauvey pink color. And what I love about his lip liners is they are eye safe. So if I don't like this for a lip liner, I can always wear it as an eyeliner. But look at that packaging. I mean, I love his packaging. Everybody can say what they want about him as a person, whatever. I don't want to hear that negativity. His stuff is good. His stuff is freaking good. And that's all that matters to me, is the formula is good. Okay. So lip gloss, lip liner, the shirt. What is this? It's a Velour Liquid. Ooh, I don't own this one, and I've been eyeballing this one. So it's in the shade Dominatrix. Why does it look brown? I thought this was a red. Does anybody have Dominatrix? It looks brown, guys. I thought this was like a red. I'm going to swatch it. Oh, I don't know about that. It's like a brown. I'm glad I didn't buy one, because I really legit thought this was like a really dark, rich red color. But that's brown. I mean, really? What do y'all think? Brown? Will I wear it anyways? Probably. Oh, okay, so this is the Balm. And when I first saw this in the sneak peeks, I thought this was a bullet lipstick. I'm a little disappointed because I thought I was getting a black lipstick, and I was super excited about that. But this is a lip balm, like chapstick. But, I mean, the packaging is super cute. I love the packaging. But if it was a black lipstick, I would wear it. But I'm not going to wear lip balm. But that was one of the exclusive items. Like I said, I cheated a little bit before. You love that brown? I don't know. I don't know if I'd wear that, Beth. I don't know. Okay, so the lip scrub that I got, which everybody got a lip scrub. Denise, you like the brown? I don't know. Like, it's just... I thought Dominatrix was a red. Am I mistaken? I thought it was a red. So this is in Blue Raspberry Sucker, and I don't use lip scrubs. So, not getting a whole lot of use out of this. I know what this is. I'm obsessed with brown lipstick. Beth, I've never seen you in brown lipstick. Prove it. Prove it. All right, which one did I get? I I got an Extreme Frost. And for those of you that don't know, this bad boy is like $50 freaking dollars retail. And I could not bring myself to spend that on a flippin' highlighter. However, this packaging is bougie. This is amazing. This is like a faux leather. It's like kind of pillow topped with his emblem on it. It's its own little like case. Like I got a piece of fancy jewelry. Which one did I get? Hang on, let me pull this bad boy out. Come on, get out. Oh no. Ugh. So this is Extreme Frost in Sour Ice. And y'all know I'm getting ready to put this bad boy on my cheeks. Burnt red. It's brown. It's like my brick background brown is what that is. So Sour Ice, from what I'm hearing, is supposed to have almost like a green type, which will go with my look. So this could be interesting. So you should have gotten a big box. Okay. So I heard to be gentle. Like to barely, that you don't need. It don't look like anything's on the brush. Oh. Okay. Okay. Is it absolutely gorgeous? Yes. Is it $50 gorgeous? I don't know about that. Oh. Is she super glittery? Yep. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love that. I do love it. Do I love it enough to pay $50 for the other ones? Nope, sure don't. Let me try to swatch this because everybody, you know, it's very sheer, but it's very sparkly. Boop. It's very pretty. It's very wet looking. I do love it. I don't love to spend $50 on it. If I hadn't have got it in this mystery box, I'd have never bought one. But packaging, I mean, that's gorgeous. I would much rather to not have it in this packaging and save $20 because I might pay $30 for it. I might pay $30 for that. It is pretty. Pretty. All right, I think this is, how many items did you get in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the shirt's 7. So this is my last thing, and I think I know. Yep. And that's what I was afraid of. I had saw some people got bloodlust. And I got blood sugar, which I already had this palette, and I actually gave it away to somebody because all of these beautiful reds and all of that, they turn pink on me, and I don't wear a whole lot of pink. So not super excited that I got that, but like I said, I can always sell it, so no big deal. No big deal. Still super fun and still worth. I will probably, well, I gotta go back to work, but I will probably always buy a Jeffree Star mystery box if I can get them, because they are an incredible value. If you'd have bought each individual thing, you'd have spent way more than you do on the mystery box. So if you've been on the fence and you've been wanting to try his stuff, get a mystery box. It's a great way to get a selection of his products, to try out and see if you love it, because you either are going to love it or you're not going to like it at all. So, but that's what I got, and I just wanted to share it with y'all. May you show all palettes you have. Oh my gosh, Sierra. I have a lot. Gina, you got androgyny. See, I used to have androgyny too, and I think I gave that to Beth, if I remember correctly. The only Jeffree Star ones that I kept was Jawbreaker, which is my favorite. I love Jawbreaker. I kept Alien, which that is a suit. I hate that it is by Jeffree Star. Okay, yeah, I'm going through that right now. Okay, so Jawbreaker, even though I haven't used it in a while, it's one of my favorite Jeffree Star palettes. It has a great selection of mattes and shimmers, and you can do a ton of different looks with this palette. So, I mean, that's one of my favorites. This little bad boy, I was not even going to get it for the longest time. And then they said it was discontinued, and I actually got this in one of my old mystery boxes that I got from him, and it's the Alien. This is such an underrated palette, guys. This palette is amazing. This shade right here, Probe, is such a stunning, it's got like a shift to it, kind of like the one I'm wearing today. This palette is amazing. I've done some really beautiful, beautiful looks with this palette. And it's got quite a selection. I mean, you can do a bright, lighter, more neutral color if you want. You can go into really bright. But this is a smoky eye look dream palette. And the formula is amazing. This shimmer formula and the Jawbreaker shimmer formula, I feel like, are way better than some of his newer stuff that he's come out with. Don't come for me. Don't judge me. That's just my unpopular opinion. I passed on Cremated. I passed on Orgy. Orgy mainly just because it's a super neutral palette, and I'm not a neutral girl. Cremated, I'm still kind of on the fence about that one. If I see it for sale for cheaper, I may still pick that one up, but I don't feel like I have to have it. Does that make sense? You're still upset you never got Alien? It's amazing. And, you know, it kind of sucks because now that it's discontinued, anybody who does have it that are selling a new one, they want like an astronomical amount for it, Beth, and I'm sorry, that sucks. We don't have time to see all her palettes. You really don't. But I will say that this new unemployment thing has really pushed me to use some of my palettes because they've kind of been sitting here because I'd get a new one and I'd get all excited and I'd use that new palette. And so, like, this look was done with the Christmas palette by Give Me Glow. I got it like last Christmas. But this shade right here is what I have on my lid. And I mean, it doesn't show up on camera just how special and duochrome and the shift and all of that, that shade has. But who would have ever thought that I would be able to do such a grungy Halloween look with a Christmas palette? Like, but Give Me Glow is an amazing, amazing, amazing company. I love all their stuff. Michelle, you missed it. Well, I'm done. So, I will post this and you can go back and watch it in case you missed anything. I got Poo Poo Brown lipstick. But I love you guys and thank you so much. We reached 200 people in the group. I don't know if y'all know that, but I got a notification. I think it's freaking awesome. I didn't even think I knew 200 freaking people. So that's awesome. Thanks, guys. I can't wait to see more of the We Come Together Wednesday looks. I'm distracted by that highlighter. I still wouldn't pay $50 though. I still wouldn't pay $50 for it, and I stand by that. But you guys have an amazing day. Love yourselves. Love each other. And happy Wednesday. Happy We Come Together Wednesday. Bye.